the upcoming festivals will bring joy in your life as well, and just stay focused on your goals and stay consistent. Success will achieve you. So in today's video I will share you that my trade updates right here. Crude oil and hook trade right now going in profits. The profit that you saw in the thumbnail is real, and my DYDX trade got loss, stopped out and incurred a loss, but I still managed to be in profits, and I will explain my trade updates and everything. So let's get into the charts.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am the Wolf, and so let's get today into the charts. I hope you saw the intro. And yes, my DYDX trade is again exited in a loss, and I am very sad about that, but also side by side I learned few things that I will not repeat in the future, that are my mistakes, and I will definitely share in my today's video as well. Also my hook USDT trade and my crude oil trade, these two trades are right now going in perfect and pure profits, and that's why I say risk and money management is important, because I'm following that perfectly, and these two trades are recovering all of my losses of the past. All of my losses are being recovered in these two trades, plus it is helping me to grow my portfolio in positive to the upside as well. So let me first come to the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and as you can see clearly, right now nothing is forming much here, just a sideways market right here. The price of Bitcoin is stuck in this sideways channel, and still it has not even reached this, my important level of resistance, this blue important resistance, which is ranging from 44,700 approx to $48,100. I've already discussed it, and we can get a short opportunity if the price of Bitcoin reaches somewhat near this zone in the future. But right now, as I said, I'm not entering in Bitcoin trade because there is a lot of FOMO going on. My DYDX chart right here, and well, yes, my trade got stopped out here. So what actually happened was, when I saw this huge breakout, first of all, I entered in a FOMO in a long position. So what I did was I put my conditional order of here, so that if the price comes back down for a retest, my long position will be entered over here, this point. And as usual, my take profit was all the way up till here, and my stop loss was somewhere over here. Yes, here, right here, my stop loss was. So what happened was, yesterday's daily candle did a huge breakdown of this level. Well, I will not say breakdown, because it went all the way down till this important purple support zone, and as soon as it touched it, it again reversed back up to the downside and managed to close in this purple important zone. Well, this is a positive news that I have drawn this level perfectly. This whole zone is acting as a very important resistance and support for DYDX price. This is a very positive news. But on the side by side, my trade got stopped out here, and the main reason that my trade got stopped out was because of revenge trading. Because I hope you know, I entered in DYDX long position somewhat over here last time, and it did pretty well for a few days, and then again this big red candle gave me a stopped out. And when I made a video of that yes, I am exited in a loss, then I mentioned in that video that I will again re-enter in DYDX and will recover my profits. So that was a kind of a revenge trading. I was in a revenge from DYDX that I will enter in a long trade or a short trade and I will recover my money from DYDX only. Well, this is not good, and you don't have to do it like this. You can recover from your money from any other asset by trading any other asset or buy anything. But coming in a revenge that I will only trade DYDX or any other particular crypto or any other asset and will recover my money, this will result in a lack of analysis and jumping in a new trade in FOMO. That's what happened to me as well. Because of my lack of analysis and my FOMO, I entered over here, and then this big huge red candle stopped me out. But the main important thing that I always follow is risk management right here and money management, because of which, yes, after this trade got stopped out, I was in a loss. But as I said, my hook USDT trade and my crude oil trade are following proper risk management and money management, due to which my all losses are recovered, plus I'm in more profits right now. So this is the most important thing that you have to do. It's okay to be in a loss, or it's okay to lose a trade. You don't have to be 10 of 10 only. 100% accuracy is not possible. Even if you win 5 trades out of 10, you will be in a good profit. So that's what you have to manage. 1:2 risk to reward ratio is the best, and I would say the minimum. Try to get more than 1:2, like 1:3, 4. But minimum is 1:2. Don't go below that as well. This is my hooks daily time frame chart, and as you can clearly see, it was in a parallel channel in this range box right here, and after this breakout to the upside, I waited for the price to come all the way down till here for a retest, and then I entered, and the same thing happened right here. Price came down all the way for a retest, and I entered over here exactly, and my stop loss is somewhat over here at 1.0855, and my take profit is at this important zone right here. What I am expecting is that the price of hook will face some resistance, I would say before my target profit, somewhat over here or here. I will give you my levels, which is that, so this purple resistance is from 1.35 to 1.3858, and this white main resistance ranges from 1.38, I would say 58 to 1.4830. So this whole, I would say including, is a very important next level and resistance for the price of hook. And yeah, so my next target is somewhat over here only at 1.4805, and if the price of hook breaks this level to the upside, then my next target will be all the way until this zone right here at 1.6988 to 1.7513. So when the price of hook will come till here, I will book 40% of my trade right here. 40% I will book, and the rest 60% I will try to hold as much as I can, and I will shift my stop loss from here somewhat over here or here, so that if the price of hook gives a reversal to the downside also, still I will exit in some profits only. So either the price of hook will trigger my take profit or my stop loss. In both the ways I will exit in profit only. So this is what smart traders always do. So I hope you can learn something from this video. Yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand it, and I hope you gained some knowledge on what are the important factors that affect your profit and loss in trading, what are my mistakes, and I hope you learned from my mistakes as well. I also learned from big YouTubers or big influencers or big traders' mistakes, and I would recommend you to do the same as well. Learn from my mistakes and others' mistakes, and do not repeat them at all. I know it's hard, but please do not repeat, and from in future I won't repeat any of my mistakes. And yeah, I hope you understand in today's video what are my analysis on Bitcoin right now, and my DYDX trade, hook trade, and this is my crude oil trade right here. It is still going in profits. So do watch this video right here. You will gain knowledge about crude oil, that what can happen next and what will be my trade in crude oil in the next coming days. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Merry Christmas to all once again, and a happy coming new year as well. And I hope you follow your dreams, your goals, and you fulfill all your, I would say, success in your life. So yeah, Create an account on Bybit if you want. You can get $30,000 gift for free. You can trade crypto there. Any crypto you want, you can trade on Bybit. You can create an account for free. And if you want to trade crude oil, Forex, stocks, commodities, anything, you can do that on XNS. I am right now trading on XNS only. I shared a live PNL of my XNS on my Twitter as well. So if you want to trade on XNS, you can do that. You can get $1,000 free on XNS by creating an account. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.